In this video, I will show you how to blur the background in Premiere Pro. Start by making sure you have your clip in the timeline. Go to the project panel, right-click, hover over New Item, and then select Adjustment Layer. Leave the settings at default and click OK. This will create an adjustment layer. Drag and drop it above your video clip, then make sure its duration matches the video clip. Now, go to the Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop it onto your adjustment layer. Select the adjustment layer and go to the Effect Controls panel. Look for the blur effect and click the pen icon next to it to create a mask. Draw a mask around your subject. Once done, click the play icon in the Effect Controls panel to track the object's movement throughout the clip. After tracking, click on the inverted option to invert the mask selection. Now, increase the blurriness to your liking. The background will now be blurred. You can adjust the mask feather settings to refine the effect and make it look more natural. And that is how you blur the background in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.